Ayan, evening walk for Ruby. Ayan, it's already 6 plus guys, and then ayan, so I need to walk this dog so he would not be crazy. And look at the sky, it's so beautiful. Ayan, ganda. Ayan, so it would be, you know, an hour walk, but I'll just vlog short, like 15 minutes walking, and this video will be uploaded to the adventures of my wifely. Ayan, so ganito, medyo malamig na ngayon guys, naka winter jacket na ako. So ayan, dito me here. So ayan, so maganda ang ano dito, and the leaves are start changing, yung autumn leaves. So kung kayo ay mag-stroll around your neighborhood, kayo na drive, ako naman ay naglalakad lang kasi wala akong sasakyan, plus wala din akong hindi din ako marunong mag-drive. Ayun, walang sasakyan plus hindi marunong mag-drive, kaya here we go, walking. Ayan, may sasakyan. Ayan, mabilis kami maglakad kasi baka ayun. So hope samahan niyo ako guys. Gabi na. Ayan, mabilis ang gabi ngayon, hindi kagaya ng summer na ang tagal ng ayan guys, may full moon pa siya. Ay, malapit na mag full moon, not totally full moon. So may moon na dyan banda. So ayun, we keep walking, and those are the, ayan ay mga almond tree. Nag-harvest na sila guys. So dito banda may malaking orchards ng almonds. Ayan, almond nuts. So nakikita niyo yung skies, ang ganda, diba? Oh, saan kayo niyan? Grabe ang ganda ng sky. Ayan, nakikita niyo yung sky, napakaganda. So ang kasama ko pala ay aso at yung isa kong alaga. Ayan, kasi maghaantay pa kami na darating yung nanay niya. So ayan, yung ate niya naiwan lang doon sa bahay nila. Ayan, dito kailangan tong isama kasi laging nagko-computer na. We could not control her anymore. Keep on watching YouTube, playing Minecraft. So ayan, si Ruby naman pick up ng anong makain, sa tingin niya makain niya. Ayan, ayan si Ruby. Ayan, may alaga. Ayan, German Shepherd doggy. I didn't see anything. Ayan, so ang ganda ng sky. So ayun, so this would be, ayan, look at the sky. This would be 15 minutes walking, evening walk. Ayun, so magpi-premiere ulit tayo bukas. We gonna go premiere. Ganon ang gagawin natin bago darating ang appeal. So November 2 is my ayun. It's already 8:2. Ayan, diretso lang tayo guys. Ayan, walking, hiking, jogging. So maganda dito. Maganda mag-walking, hiking, jogging. Ayan. 41. So we're almost like, ayan, may ano din, oh, may asos din siya, dalawa, hagoy, hopefully. Walking. Thank you guys. Ayun, ano kayang ginagawa dyan? Parang, the water. They're watering the almond tree. So, we're gonna turn. Ayan. 10 minutes lang akong i-cover guys. 10 or 15 minutes. Ayan, ganda na. Ganda diba? Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Hope nagustuhan niyo itong paglalakad ko. Because normally kasi yung iba, kung mga regular viewers, lagi nila itong nakikita. Kasi minsan, nagla-live naman ako na maglakad. So this time, I'm filming. Binibideo ko para maano. Yan, oh, ang ganda. Yan, binibideo ko para makita nyo yung hindi naka-abot sa aking live, makikita nyo naman. Ayan. So ayan, ang ganda diba? Ayan, we're turning here. Ayan, malapit na guys. Ayan, na-blurred man ang ano, nag-blurred ang camera. Here to go. Ayan, the trees, the leaves are almost changing. Bakit kaya? Bakit hindi ayan, hindi clear. Ayan, ito clear na. Ayan. So ayan, normally dito guys makakita ka ng squirrels, cats, and birds, turkeys. Ayan. Dito kung kayo ay friends sa Facebook ko, makikita nyo yung mga turkey. Dito ko palagi nakikita ang turkey sa aking ano. Ayan, dito lagi. Ayan. Tapos nakita nyo yung trees na yan guys. Ayan, ayan. Bakit? Sometimes blurred. Bakit kaya sometimes blurred ang camera? Ayan. 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 So dito, ayan, maganda na yung trees. At makikita nyo din dito guys yung ano, yung namitas ako ng ano, nag-harvest ako ng grapes kasi walang may-ari, so pwede tayong mag ano. Ayan, may naglalakad. Igano natin ang camera kasi hindi natin pwede ipakita sila. Ayun. So ayun na guys. So ayan, Hope magustuhan niyo itong paglalakad ko. Ayan. Kung si Pia is daily vlog niya o daily routine. Ayan. This is my daily routine kapag ako ay nagbabantay ng bata at saka aso. Kasi kung hindi ako nagbabantay, hindi din ako maglalakad. Ganun lang buhay, guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, shout out everyone sa group ko Pia Melotin, headed by Philippine Island Adventure Melo USA, and Team Puyaters, headed by Irene Vlogs. Shout out to you, Irene Vlog, and shout out to Sisi Marilyn Bitachi. Ayan. Bakit blurred kaya akong depende siguro. Shout out everyone. Ayan, yung nakikita niyo yung moon. So, ayan ang moon, guys. Oh, ayan. Maganda, 'di ba? Hindi pa siya full moon. Hindi pa siya talaga circle. Ayan. Ayan, dito malapit lang at saka yung mga bahay na may mga Halloween decoration na sila. Ayan. Ayan, dito na tayo sa under the trees. Ayan, shout out everyone sa aking grupo. Ayan, shout out sa mga very supportive friends dyan. Downs in Austria, Tess Bisdak in Ohio, Evelyn Hamilton, Imelda Ingram, Chris Luzon, USA, Vlog USA, MBTV, Mama Lu. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. LVSS, shout out to you, Sisi. Ayan, my supportive friends. Kahit sa Facebook, sa Facebook, nagpapa-send pa rin ng stars dahil hindi na ako pwede sa ayan, shout out everyone. Maraming salamat. Thank you guys. So very supportive, diba? Shout out everyone. So ayan, Sisi Pia, thank you for always supporting all your channel and my live stream. Yung 5 mansion mo dyan. Sisi Imelda, thank you sa 4 na mansion. Sisi Marilyn, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much sa lahat ng, ayan, nandito nakita ulit yung stars. Ay, moon pala, stars naman. Ayan, di ba? Ayan, thank you. Ate Ning, thank you Ate Ning, may trio. Ayan, Ate Ning USA. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat sa mga suki. Ayan, thank you talaga sa mga very supportive friends sa YouTube or sa FB. Ayan, maraming salamat. At hope nagustuhan niyo itong paglalakad. Evening walk with Ruby and so ayan, thank you guys. We hope you like the natures. Thank you so much. Nagre-relate lang ako. Ayan, sana ma-twist ko yung yung video. Hindi naman. Ayan, thank you for watching. Hope you like my video and don't forget to click the notification bell kung hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe. Click the notification bell at ayun, sa mga luma dyan, don't forget mag-thumbs up and thank you for your support. God bless you guys and see you around. Bye-bye. Ayan. Thank you guys. Ayan, may Ayan. I'm still walking. So actually guys, we walk like an hour plus. So ayan, here's my dog. Here's our dog. Ruby. And there's a beautiful bridge there. Ayan, thank you. God bless you. Bye. See you around. Ayan, the beautiful nature. Thank you.